I sent you the link. You didn't lose your phone information. You lost the hard drive information.
I lost everything, okay?
Oh boy. Did they do it or what?
Yeah, I think they did.
Mm. Mm. I will let you know how it works out for me, and I will educate you about the process by which it worked out.
What kind of movie you watch?
I don't care. I don't care. I don't even much care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't much care. Don't wanna watch no ratchet stuff. Don't wanna watch no ratchet stuff. Don't wanna watch it. Don't wanna watch it. No ratchet stuff. Go to YouTube and look up a movie that you like, and then look at the similar movies.
What that do?
Give you some options. So you know what the fuck you gonna do in life.
I was backing out of there going to Netflix.
Mm.
And I think if you're not logged in, it's not going to hide your history.
You're right.
And,
Because that's how they get you.
and I don't think I got remember my login information because it's on my,
We're done.
I don't know. I'm just telling you how it is. That's what I'm working with over here.
You want some more sauce? Because I don't really fuck with that sauce like y'all do. There you go.
You got a whole nother one, but okay.
I don't know. Whatever. I got a whole nother one too. Oh, what's this? We get coleslaw with them too? What? Let me show them some love. We get coleslaw. Who asked for that? Nobody. But who got it? We did.
Get close right here.
Under your
Oh.
fist. It gonna be good too, why? They finna motherfuck them out of all they business. We gonna always go to that raggedy motherfucker.
They're all raggedy.
I know, but that one's even raggedier than the other one. But you right, they all raggedy. All I know is they finna get our business.
We had them before.
I know. A few times.
But yeah.
And every time they over there though, they probably don't want no smoke with that hood. That's the same hood though, right? No.
With Indian people cooking. And they got a Mexican girl in there.
But this one?
Well, and that's just now.
Well, shout out to Masala Abdullah. Oh, he did that.
They get you with that lemon pepper too.
Yeah, and I like his lemon pepper. His lemon pepper is not too overwhelming. His seasoning is like not too salty. You know, some people just hide behind salt. You can taste this shit. It's lovely. The fries suck though, but
They always suck.
the fish is so good. So good. Look at that. Oh my god. Look. It's so white. Not that everything white is good, but and the batter is perfect. Mmm. Get it together. This ain't hitting the spot.
No, right?
Whoa. Mm. Mm. You know what? I deserve these ragged ass fries. It's the least I can put up with if they're gonna give me this fish this amazing.
Can't have both.
Can't have both. Can't have both ways. Okay. I'm gonna struggle through these fries. Just for this cook. Mm. Not delicious.